This video will demonstrate how to properly perform a 6-month preventive maintenance on the FMD dispenser. When performing daily, weekly cleaning procedures, inspect O-rings, seals, and bushings for signs of wear or damage and replace immediately. Check and/or replace every 6 months or as required 32906.0000 mixing chamber kit, 29128.0000 whipper motor seal kit. Check and/or replace every 3 months or as required 26356.1000 whipper shaft seal kit. Open the cabinet door. Turn the hopper elbows upwards. Remove the hopper assembly from the cabinet. Remove the steam collector by pulling it forward and twisting in a clockwise rotation. Pull the mixing chamber out of the whipper chamber. Twist the whipper chamber clockwise and pull it off the whipper chamber receptacle. Pull the frother off the motor shaft. Twist whipper chamber receptacle clockwise and pull it off the motor shaft. Remove the slinger. Replace with items included in kit. On the whipper chamber receptacle, replace the slinger and the whipper shaft seal and O-ring. Place a new frother from the kit onto the motor shaft. Install the new whipper chamber. Place the mixing chamber onto the whipper chamber, ensuring to connect to the water inlet. Replace the steam collector by twisting counterclockwise to fit inside the vent. Turn the hopper elbows downwards. Close the cabinet door. Dispenser is ready to resume normal operation.